Una see say they talk say the woman bad or anything. Most of them don't go ask for my back. Niva bola wa gbagba me bo. Agbagba wa neve TikTok. Unyi one wa gwe we una mama they not take show una wife for Nigeria. Uwa we ya se gben aba proko wa ya se TikTok. E content wa you can't see Bini woman we know how to create content. In winner wa muwa. No re France wo do Musafa. Musafa, you don't know how to dance. You don't know how to play music. Then we're so madam. Ekwa we na go lila when no hame when no tame no give why say no give why no know how to dance where no give why too big or ya we say size or ya wanna ekpupu ye where ekpupu ye ke madam no reference. You know yourself because you ain't measure anywhere because everybody know you for the TikTok. Where ekpupu ye ke eri no guitar mawe ogugwe ni ekwa gugwe ni ve kia ya la o be no can you we Nigeria man we want clear that body go dey fear e kwa we ye gbigbi we want to ta inwinere eri on this one when no come mama we you we dey talk say Musafa no know how to dance he no know how to play music me Musafa go play another music we are waiting then we go ask over madam no reference sister no reference aproko people just like women in Europe have retirement okpo miliki. TikTok when I do end there. I love it ye o cargo. Ge ye se. Ida like webo uwa tu hua. Eli biala la abi dare ikin. Ruda ina like Jamie. Uwa tu hu abi dare o. Uze enta you not say all this women when my dad carry come for 1960. Yeah, you read webo ho una no dey go. TikTok when I do end day life wa. Why ekwe mu wa? A TikTok or why not? No worry, France. But then Musafa, you don't know how to dance. You don't know how to play music. Tona. One with pitching. You know the fear, madam. Even the time my sister no reference. No get card don't want you. We there. Oh no, we don't you know ye. Or we can hear you have belly. You ye tie any. It can't go anywhere. One boy don't come. You beg. This the way they do. Do you know how many people where they don't add their accounts? A lot of women nowadays, when I not get a lot of women, they are banned. They don't ban their account. When my wait, I add that account on, you ban that account on. Too much of everything is bad. Madam, where they France, I'm a bob proco. Where they carry people video. Conte de la laza. Women where je vois. Eriona Guasiwa. Eriona wana. Musafa, you don't know how to sing. Musafa, you got thief music. Mustafa can't sing another one. We are waiting. Then we go over. Eriona winner. When winner, we France, madam. Ne kwa we when I big nage. Donc we are not here live. Akara when you boriri no. Who want claim you? Nigeria man no enter them because they kwa we ye lelele. Then we go so. You na de social media. Who shwa una sabi create content. You can't see Bini woman. Mene love it none of a year. People are using me proud. He create a content, he shoot a guy. Even though now only 5 people they watch him. I'm a movie train. Why boko? Everybody know just carry one head one side. Bini people don't know how to create. Oh, what do see me koto? Get ya wa go wa papa. Matter ye buene. Idi wela. I go block you. Don't follow me. Ye buene madam. Ye video where me post there for. Ya we bedo Tori. Ye post there. He went part 1 part 3. He went 1 he post there. He had the way 2. 4. They do whoever where. Let your salobwa. Then I'll block you. You know go they see me again. No day ye kwabi baba. Tarapa. Go ho. Can you in Europe? Oh, if you enter you pay na rapa. Aproko. That way they France and Musafa don't know how to sing. Then we go over. Come on content why go. You can't see Bini woman know how to create content. Now waiting one brother tell me love you are trying for content. I say yeah I'm a comedian. Me, I be funny person, but I see you come. Not to say you they still love it. They shoot my content for my Facebook, for my TikTok. Even though not 3 people they watch. Me we saga. This is my content. If you don't like my content, block me. Get out. People that like my video, even though not 5 people, I know say na my content. I thank God. It's easy for 5 people to watch you. It's easy for 100 people to watch you. My whole content. That means I'm proud of myself. You get now content even though na 100 people watch them. Some people go see put like. You think it's easy? May you win a social media. I be blogger, I be content creator. If I see what they go around the world, I will also talk. Then I go my way. If I want shoot my content, I shoot. If I want dance, I'll dance. I know they use people. I know they bring people down. Content they get view. Or salopa me where me down. I know be person like that. Can't carry person picture. Except if I want put person picture, I go first play that person video. Go to my page. I must play that person video. What I want to talk about? A video what total baby. Wow. So Bini lady. Where go create content? In winere aproko. One of to ya segbe ma. Ve tito agba wa me gba wa ni. Why go address? Who de tarapa? Who they do am ebo? Only no ware France wo do Musafa do po we ladian o. Do wo na erere ko na kwegba. No ware France erere we gba madan. Even Musafa we dey no beg account we ni ya we do block eh. Do you know how many people where they don't ban their accounts? Where they not date talk again? Do you know how many people where don't get 1.2 million followers? They ban their account, they report their account, they will ban down. You get where they will report that your account reach. TikTok go answer them. TikTok will remove you before you go wake up. Your account is banned. Do you know how many people where don't come up for this TikTok here? That's why if now they do anyhow. I'll just look now. See. You see, as they use people video, they make money, they talk, they are watching you. And a lot of people, that especially down with your difference, you know yourself. They report that your account. You know, say they will report and give a TikTok. They will report your account. You not go know. What zoo or whatever. You get one day, TikTok they do want to, you go wake up, say make I do video. You know, we'll see your account again. Your account is banned. Do you know how many thousands of people we don't dare for this TikTok for social media? Especially this TikTok, their account nowhere to be found. They don't ban them. How they want to start? One woman say I want to start again. So just enters TikTok where you don't build for how many years? From 100 to 100. It is to get follower easy. Jealousy people to fight me follower to get 10,000 is easy. Now I make una dey draw love come out. If I bought la wagbe. This my account, may God protect them. I will enjoy the fruit of my labor. I dey build my account. The more you shoot video, the more people following you. As I dey talk for year, and the more you do live video, people listen to you. The most now so they get follower. Why men watch well? Una follower still remain those 2,000, 3,000 because people are not my sister. What you they bring? Cause you know they sweet. That is why your content, that is why they get. Now see, come on, nobody they follow me. I want to follow you for your nonsense blogger and content. Who want follow you? Una see in May 2025, una follow and they move. Why would they beg? I not be like unamo. Why would they beg gume? So if they sleep, they'll go they watch your follower. Jealousy people. I be like una. And I know the way I don't take fight for this my follower. Even TikTok don't recognize me as a content creator. Una the man. That one with your difference. They don't they report that your account. Too much of everything is bad. In winere bugwa. So bini women. In winere bugwa proko people. Eriye Musafa. You just said to go and compose music for stage easy. We not like to bini. We don't love ourselves. Since I there for this condition, apart from another tribe where God go bless, we don't take by my side. Another tribe entirely. I'm telling you, the both man and women, none of Benin stand by me. Except another tribe. Nigeria will be another tribe. Igbo, all those Yoruba, like Ghana, may God bless una. Yoruba, Ghana, Senegal, like that man. I don't want to make sure your name. Now you don't stand by me. If I dey hungry, they stand by me. Since they take my children, another no Benin women. Iyana, they be mess. Una say I'll come they follow una say Bini, I too love una. I love my Bini, but una not good. Una not good. That is why me I love everybody. BU, Senegal, Gambia, Ghana, because now where's something happen to me so. Now I know say, hey, you see that your tribe where you don't believe, they not send you. You need to love everybody. Now I know that tribe where you be say you no expect. Now you will come stand by you where you there for problem. I know that you get one man that time and you never see my ikpeku. You know how many times where this man don't send me money? If I not get one naira to eat for Dutchland, since they take my children away, not be Binima. With time you not see my ikpekus. If I don't call this man, I don't want to make sure your name. May God bless you anywhere you are. Oh, love it. Now so you be. Oh. you dey go see your children and say yes, you go send me money. Anywhere you are, if I know say you dey here, and may God bless you now. They are not Bini guy. They are not Bini women. You are there here, now still get the audacity to come they drag me. What they better way, madam. Any now so that one still come out for Italy that day. You already know who. Go and see their page. All those women they be Okpo Miliki where don't retire, where madam carry all cargo. I be like una they play with me. Me who's there enter Europe? Una say love her because I get body. Who what there here kwa? Now this Libya where you open, I love her enter Europe. This Libya where you open, I enter Europe. No what there here kwa? Madam no carry me come. We make quarrel. I come. Now this day, now what I tell Jama? I beg I don't need una while. Wanna bring my children if I want come up. Because why? Now this water now pass come. I know the way I take part that desert. Why I down one? Why if you make go if I don't want stay in a country. If German people don't want to make I stay, oh yeah, I even they talk and the video when I do for a girl, where I talk and say I can go back to Italy. Now Italy rescue me for inside water. I not be ungrateful person. Now Italy they still give me document. Now the document I take on here. German no say yes. Now Italy I for everything they computer. They know they like now they craze. Now the man. Bini people. Only no worry do you go you don't sabi sing. Na eliono na wo when they horio. O we na ikodo. Now so this one get belle. You go carry people picture. Wa me bo na go tigana when you wa my phone na. Una dey shame. If na know how to create content so when I get inside. All those women we don't retire for Euro we be say Tito do wala. Stop fooling yourself for TikTok. Well, if na no so na no get anything una want to. For una to they carry people like this woman tie rapper. If you enter you pay na so they hold for like this. Almost 5-4 wait they do am bo. Eriona where me and our dog o. Eriona when they content you go just like that for inside bed there. Dress na rapper. Oh, you content na rapper inside bed. Oh, you money ya yo popo ya gbe kun. No tu go back money. If no suru that way, no suru that way, madam. If you go anywhere like ban. Who we are whojo? Me a survivor and they alive. I have a hope. Who they alive? I get hope. Say each children will come back. I wish my enemy your person that they will come. I give thanks to God Almighty. Even the you guys is celebrating with me. Now people now saw this guy take go where they sent for me. As I mention the story, he go. Now so you guys are take come. Say this guy don't go. He contract don't finish. I say yeah, he pay me well, and my problem never solve. My problem never solve. I see they go hospital. I never go finish. My baby papa they come and go. I don't go meet my lawyer. I say this guy where they brief for me don't go. He pay me well. The contract where they give me can they help me and my children don't go. My lawyer say hey don't go, but you are strong now. I say I never too strong. Go. Tell me, pack children go here. They can't reason the matter. You guys are going to do me to say, this woman now, you don't go. They have to come and move the children. Now, so they take on in the afternoon. They still they move my children. It's so painful. They are still, the police, they paid me. I was alone. My baby are there for work. Me and my people, we sleep for inside room that day. We don't know say they are coming. My people, now my house is sleep. Go walk. No now so you pursue your baby papa. All this single mother. Now everybody, it is a normal thing. They calling my children. That is why I'm so happy. They just hold out for a time. What did they want use my children do? What did they want use my children do? Now so jama too they collect children. Now so they think they thief children. What did they want your children do? They go carry black children, but they don't even need to now for their country. Jama. Where they feed? Jama is feeding you people. Having hungry people now run from Italy come here. What did they want use my children? Like my children now, like. What did they want use my children do? Which is how they reason the one are the reason. The only thing when I cried last year, you guys are, I only make sure that and when I bring the children come on and take them easy. One viare or you don't sit there for everywhere don't go for me. I just want to do that video last 2 years. I don't move on. For real life, and they go to see my lawyer. They are talking to me, say everything will be fine. Just calm down. Jamie here, they're not they fast. They have to make everything clear before the children will get back to you. You are too gone. Ungrateful people now. Now use now cause problem finish. Man, now can they talk? Jamie here. What did they want use? Una will be hungry. It couldn't be we be hungry people. Now we don't come here. Una Jamie is feeding everybody here. Both man and woman, this month don't come now. Una they rocky that bag. Una want go collect children belen. Una two bag bon. Now see come and call the talk to Jama in here. What did they want use now? What did they want use my children do? I only appreciate them all. The only thing say if I go visit my children, you people should not allow things to happen to my children. Say no problem. If I go there, see the way that they respect me. See the way that they honor me. They don't say I don't do bad thing. I follow their law. I give them respect. I never shout for them one day. They don't see and say, this woman, it too they appreciate. I see they appreciate this house for them. This house people are paying. Because of my children, may God bless you. They say, amen. They go, they shake it. They are paying for my heart today. Can a Turubu do that? Can a Turubu ungrateful some Nigerian men and women? Not be Olivier they cry now say, make the president, make they build their camp. Come on, camp, not the Nigeria. If they deport people now, really, may God bless Olivier. Olivier, I'm coming to do that your video. Because you do that video very well. People are still writing. I not be bad person. I never get chance. That video what Olivier do. He try, say, make the Turubu build camp for Lagos there. So that people when they deport, they go see place stay. Your president do that. That will call the third jam. What did they want use my children do? This is why I'm so happy. For real life, when I say, now what you put to this girl for Sakachi, now you put to love where they call him. You even ball like now you make you come out. We be make sure anyway. Madam, I dare you to come out to come and reply me. He say, boy, Wetin talk ya on the live video, ya post a video. Don't just close to me because I hate nonsense. Notice that they shoot content. When they see me say they shoot my content, so you can talk to me anyhow. I they dance. I'm doing it for myself. I don't post video because of you, my brothers. If you know say you don't like me, get out. If you know say you are my enemy for this TikTok, you don't want to see me for my video. My brother, block yourself. If you block yourself, you know they see me again for life. You may why block it, or why I post a video and why ask you me this woman don't see post video again. You go just the view. Una think say una view and pass. I not go leave. This TikTok me never monetize am. Oh, millions of videos where I don't post. I not be hungry person. Every day they tell una. Even TikTok don't send me message. Come and monetize your page so that they will be paying you. I never get that chance. But I'm still shooting. They jealous. Love it. If I post video, they go they screw and pass. They don't want to watch. They don't want to see my face. My brother, I know you. Whether you screw and pass, you don't want to watch. To hell with you. Fuck. I post that video for those I love. That's why any video you post, I'm not going your. They must see pull like must see the one we go love you. Ooh, bell. TikTok never started paying me millions of views where I don't put for millions of video where I don't put for that V. I never collect 1 cent. TikTok never put food for my table. But I will. TikTok don't write me. Come and monetize your page, madam. And they see their message. Come and monetize your page. Bring your address and everything. They don't say I'm trying. My video they go viral sometimes. They are watching. Jealousy. I make people laugh for this. This is comedy. I love it. Where they put and they do funny thing. Now you come talk to me. We are go. Madam, for you to come and measure that love name. Oh, here hold la dia unu weni. Emi no love it me with Deutschland. Who we here? Oh, no sorry me we here me. We ga imi on the we life. E cost na ni wa tie enu na. E imi no reti talking na. Aze wo so no re ya gbe say your madam because ima kporu no be you I talk to. Ima go we go na pramo. I talk correct pramo say pramo your husband go dey feel am. This Benin guy we call into your life. A lot of women now, where I do that video for Pramo, I posted on yesterday. They go use and learn. Say, this lie you need to they do well for TikTok. For sure, because anything it can affect your marriage. Because at the normal be said day we never break. Pramo never know say he go see love today. Pramo never know say he go find love. That boy no even know say so Nigeria made they two know anything about you. You understand? The Pramo never know say you go see love. Say single mother, you still have a hope. Never you look down on yourself. But this guy, he never think that. Ona agwe saga, ona agbera. He call them misbehave. He call the throwaway rapper. Now he make her hate that lady. Even they advise a single mother say, hey, no marry, oh, just be like that. Women call the listed to just be a single mother. All this men with the euro, they're not ready. this woman was deceiving a lot of you follower, all those women. That time they Facebook that you know they took come out for TikTok. Pramo never know say man is coming to come and show love. Man is coming to come and wipe your tears. Say whether you don't, you don't know. This is why they do that video. Say women, mind what you do on social media. Respect yourself. Both you social media and real life. Because even though you are a single mother, never you look down on yourself. One day you can see love. One day you can see love. Make that thing not affect you later. Especially this social media. Mind what you do. People are watching. But today now, innocent boy, when he come, now the video when I do, when he come in life, you just say that boy go they see all this video of at least he go they feel him because that boy no he never come to a promo life. Now the video where this woman hold for hand though, he called the record down. Ona do mwe. What the mono now? I don't say you there here now. Mother the record. Wala jan we bedo la la say yeah he boy be TikTok now. My where who the address you where me madam? I want to know where you are for this Jamie. Who re Jamie? Baby, live video mahina duo. Imana swek pa yo we ununu my love it. Guy, as I they play, are they very funny? If your boy omonu, people that know me for can't come on. You know you concern me concern but you want to say maybe I they laugh because a love it. Una wunu do go me go. Matter ya if your boy omonu, you gunu ri address we me. Na duo okwo gbina. Ise me okwo gbina. Asi egbeto. Matter ya day, I go use scissors tape baba my head. Where they go where? Nage no gbina. I say gbina bi bani ibuwa adio wa iri address over me. Unu wa day. Why so iba we love it iladian. Iladian. Madam, awa gbina a police ire. A police guy ire. The next thing where they go do for social, they go give her traffic. Only a muta. Iye mu my prison. Cause him wa gbina. They go give her a muta for you people to fight. Mane. Why would be try me be TikTok na? Why would be ladian do a drag me? E can wa. If na no so wa do zu wa be webo. E you be ladian be TikTok Italy. Video when I do for 3 years. That day na see on Sunday. They purposely they do this thing. Who wa do after na see on Sunday when that woman do that video. They just send her for me. That's if you see that woman page, oh yeah can ni na do ko be kovun. Why men waje? Oh no na rapa na e dey tie. The other one way they France, all of them are Benin. Oh na cargo. Ava shawo po miliki Tito do me well. E wanna why na do retire. Oh why jo? Now they go Nigeria. Una no they go see una family house una no get for home. E TikTok why na do end the life wa. Who was who wa oge love it I be like una. Me cargo I no be cargo. Why damn me mege? I no be cargo for a webo. He dare he. Because he not like Gemina do beer. Who are we Gemina Gua? Who are they ye qua baby na gahe? I will look de Imado Basha we believe Biala Lima. A flat Madame Amumere, nido pay 30,000 euro. Or a 20 years in Loveti wag bena. Or on a guaro. When why you draw the cartoon say, when we no very frost or do makeup or doro, no get husband for us. Cartoon. Oh, what do I show? When no one was sorry, one of you, but oh, what key? Why anyone to let the guys know say he get cartoon? Now, by cartoon, no one, now I want to take on your life. You just say now, may like this kind of stupid cartoon. When now they can't show, so go draw for inside to so. Have horror. More time, madam. Abu he no, but don't draw cartoon. If you like, go show her. What show they tie up madam, they can't show your cartoon. Useless woman. You they can't talk to me, I be like you. How many times go to my page where they draw cartoon? I can't draw this one. I can't like that. I can't they do like say me come. Me way they come for me, they are responsible. All those una wait una they do they can't show cartoon, can't tie up and make they know so una show they cartoon. Now ma we work on nakuna. Now, me we want on nakuna. They no go stay with na. Get this thing on your head. No be by cartoon. When why you do any cartoon say? Only no reference with do. E Mustafa egwa siwa. Mustafa do so be ladian. Inwine royal lewe. Iya we are the band that can't we madam. No reference with do. Oga ibu begiti a o. Inwine rega mo magbe. Ogbo ohun. Person matter. If you do all you, he go kill you. That you are calm, madam we dey France. People are watching you. The way they put people picture. I don't want to mention your name because you never come for me. And then why we large on Uguel of Etigua, Mother Yagwe, no Ware France, the sick and Mati anywhere. I just want worry me, madam. Oh, no, me baby man, he come for me as he sought me. Tell me source of name. Idiot woman where they tie rapper. No, no reference, then we go over. You think to compose music easy? Bini people na no love una say. Oviere come see one day. Musafa, I never can do your video. Continue your job. Continue. Don't. That's why you see Bini people that when they sing for this Europe. Before you don't go see them again. Bini people, we don't love ourselves. Iyaga drag una no fit empower that boy. Una no fit give her confidence. Una no they see Igbo. Una no they see Yoruba. Una no they see Ghana. They only pull like they only encourage their people. All give here don't work your way. Bini people they don't like jealousy. Frustration people they go carry their brother come on. You don't know how to play music. They like to disgrace that person to another stranger. If you wanna be when this woman a Bini woman who never bola we you want to tell people for TikTok say love they collect my children. No dey ye kwa. Na shawo gbo e bagbon de katu gbo e rapper for Europe. Tying rapper for neck. Eh? Do it fitter. Man not there with no ware France will do ekwa wore. Inwine gbem inwine una matano de ho una. Inwine re aproko inwine re. Content una no sabi create. Wahala ko ni TikTok page oge ugboriri. People picture. Eri na wona. You just say to compose music easy. Musafa, they can't do your video. Now so me be oh. Now so I be. I will come encourage you. Now so I encourage Papa Olivier. That is why Olivier. You say no. When Olivier is coming for Libya, the video is still there. Now want make a brigand. It's good to be good. If you forget, I never forget. Now so believe people wrong. Come Olivier. Why you they call Libya? Why you they call Libya? Now me still come and that video go viral. You now want make a brigand. I someone I live. I pray for Olivier. I someone I live. Now let me go and the red drag Olivier. Why they call Libya? Money with it. Now Bini people, no Igbo man comments, no Yoruba. Bini people man. I could say best way now 2 videos I do for Olivia Bitiri. The video go viral. Say best way get 6 children. Was so I. I'm the one that do that video. I'm still coming to come and do Musafa. Musafa will come and encourage you if you like make you hear. Continue your music whether Ogba continue. Never you look down on yourself. Because me born at death. Bini people, in me lenu wa here. I dislike una, most of una. Because una too get, una no love una say. Una no love una say. Una no feel see una brother make una empower am. Waga me no why you see? Wait, una want disgrace for the public. Oh, why would they try maybe TikTok now? Say una want call disgrace love. Yeah, because una no say love now. People they follow her. People they the way this man they yeah igele gwe madam. Anyone will go come on. No Yoruba woman don't come saga me. No Igbo. No Ghana. Nobody. Now my Bini people they can't draw me. Wag we that way. Eriyo woke no give la diame last year. All of una be Bini. Call insult me. Now so that one way they Italy way be like a person we carry HIV. Me auntie eh. Me auntie okwoni. That woman where he say, I'm a marriage woman, Mommy Stella. Oh, na Bini where they come mock me for my children. Eribeti e born on him. Mommy Stella where they Italy now. Emi mi wa mi evegbe, madam. Wetin I see where they collect my children. Wa mi evegbe, madam. You get your children. Now so that one na Bini woman come out last year, be last 2 years. Come laugh me say you where they collect children. Say see twins for year. You all of them are Bini. Who wa ya get the name of Stella now? Oh yeah, na skeleton. They shy for him wo do. Me magi cause person yo they dry they go. Why be can you see if I curse now they confirm if I carry my children come out for TikTok, you no concern anybody. Ima suru no gbugba. You no miss someone I call they say they mock me. You rivet here born a Mommy Stella. You know when all of them get children for us. Even me wa me Stella. Mommy Stella no Italy. When you do ya mock me where they collect my children. That video see go viral. Abi when na be ladian. Na so that one see come out about 2 months ago. Na so Italy. I see call Charlie all of na bibini. Iwe we ni me all of na get children. Even me wa ga me egbe o. Wetin I see on as now they can't drag me beneath women. We don't look today. Now old women oh, not be dare oh. No, even okay no gay. Mommy Stella na all cargo. You understand? So as now they can't laugh me. Waiting me see. Wait me survive my own. I'm waiting for my children by the power of God. My children are coming. See, I still there the house. Only this one, the house when I did, where these people are paying, they give me joy. And they appreciate them. You know how much they pay for this when I carry for my children? Do you know how much they pay? If you love it, they do anyhow. I be like una. I for don't put my for year. I be quarrel. Since when I carry this house, I'm alone. No be say I don't get boyfriend. And they low. I'm a child of God. I believe in myself. If now, since when they collect you, if I don't put my for year, this house na 2 rooms apalo. Now 2 rooms apalo. This is my house. Now my children are carrying away for. Are you stupid? Are you mad? When they come talk to me, I be like, oh, because now they see me for real life. 2 rooms apart. Do you know how much government paying for this house? Do you know how much they pay because of my children? Only this one, it give me hope. As it's where they stay, and they follow the rule. I never call carry my poo for this house. And they follow their rule. I never call poo ma for you. If now, for don't poo ma for you, I have a quarrel. All those who will not believe in themselves, I believe in myself. Even these people, they respect me for that. I never call poo ma for you. Say, hey, blah boy, oh, not be say I don't get boyfriend. Oh yeah, come and go. My friend come visit me, come out. I feel go visit her. Say, I come put ma for this house. I'm waiting for my children. They know say I don't do bad thing. Now one thing of the other, my children never come back. Their document, their identity is with me. Is with me. No what do they'll just yes, if you government, I appreciate these people. That woman will call you guys that they say that woman and I call them. If you're married to VMO, they don't carry on. They see give the woman number. Come they see your children. If you don't wear finish, they'll hand over your children. What did they want you not children do? When I say they pay me where they appreciate these people. I do that video 2 years ago. I just do and say, you guys, I'm gonna bring my children. You don't to say. Then I not consaga them. Make they bring up. You don't to take for una. Everywhere don't they okay. People constantly tell me for real. I say you don't need to use your mouth. Tell them relax. These people, everything they have to control everything. Make sure say everything is okay before your children will come back. Not be saying you go to use your mouth. Maybe now still one thing of the other. Maybe they don't ask your lawyer. Your lawyer don't add this city. You know, not saying now so that they work. You just say yeah, na Nigeria. You just say love and not guessing. Maybe they don't control my lawyer. They don't control the city when I live. This city, you know how much they pay for this house for my children? Not be me, not because of me. Now my children that they pay for this house for. Now I make I see that this house is not for me. Now the children. No beside. I just stay here for notice sake. They are paying for this because of the children. Say, if the children they come back, they go see, play, sleep. Now I see this today. You understand? I mean, useless women, because they talk to, they can't they drag me some Benin women. Yeah, total you over. Now so that one, or so they died, now so that one see do one. Yeah, similar dia. Yoruba woman never consaga me one day. Can't use my old thing, they laugh me. Now Benin women. Now Benin women, who know man, I the key man. We don't love ourselves. They say they get their own, they are perfect. Another stranger go they encourage me. Say everything will be fine. It boring life and TikTok. Not Benin women go come and have a look at their women. They can't insult me. They can't use what happened to me. They can't tell me that. You know, see una life. Look, Wahala. Madam, you give me to time away. Even me wa me be. We survivor. Wetin we me ame. E bonne lovet it mugboe. Wetin we. Who we survivor we. Wetin me see. Me I survivor mo. I give thanks to God Almighty. I'm okay. Even the Jama is celebrate. Oh, you are okay everywhere. If I go see my children now so that they snap me picture. They come and sit down. Come and drink coffee. I say they appreciate them for them to hold my children. I not be ugly. I not be like unamo. Ma call they talk to them. Can the turubu do that? A turubu aware. Iyo monoma say. Era vision ma koko me wa say ungrateful person. I call they talk to them anyhow. No. Go and ask them. Go and ask them. I tell they live my life with them. They will tell you. Go and ask them. On my behalf, a lot of people don't go ask. On my behalf, they don't go ask, say, Okona. They go tell you, say, everywhere is good, though. Well, they get respect. These people know respect. They know honest person. They know person we appreciate. Get gift. Make I show my children gift where they don't give me. May I go give my children? Balari. Okay. Ungrateful people. See, you see gift. Now my children gift. Now see this one are the small one. You know we work it. Step by step. This one I don't go give the other one at Tori. The other one I don't go give them. This one they go see send me my account. The gift here. Big one. No, they show where. You see my children gift. Ungrateful people. They show say to me. Yeah. See my children gift. You are two ungrateful people. So me I come out for TikTok. Me I they say now so they buy me gift. I don't go give one that day. They still give me this one. Now the small one be this. Now in a day here so in a day here. You know where? Now the big one be this one. Step by step. Okay. Can a turubu do that? Can a turubu do that? Because I stand for my children. God constantly support me. Oga wa no wa mo bia imanane. Una call the tell Jama no good. Jamie no good. I'm still here almost 3 years plus in this city. No man dey here. No be say I no get man. I no put man for here. I dey follow their rule. Go to school, I dey go here. Who are two who are? Now my children gift. Now be this. Go and give your children. The day you go see your children, you see her? You see her? And the small one be this one. A gift or a gift. You know we work here. Go give them. Now the big one be this one. This one not the show. Step by step. There. You see her? Wazoo abakon. Those they come talk to me. A love it near almost 5. Who told you or aproko? Who therefore you will bring when they boy madam? Who told you say na 5 children you guys can carry? Who told you say na 5 children? You buy 5 baby man. Now 2 times I born. My 4 children are twins. The other one are normal one. I be like una way they bonbon. If now since when they collect na children, if now una for don't carry another belle, una go spoil everything. Una not go follow the rule. When you follow them step by step, these people will appreciate you. Any other gift not give me. Leave your gear. What two wagbo. Oh, even they na hina. Okay, they na hin. Even mugie no kene. Okay, they do a time with TikTok. Marco they explain why would the bed down. Well, anyone, Bini woman come out. Can't drag me again. Cause no other try they can't do nonsense. I dig yeke. When my love it, but when I not love when I say. If the woman where you carry my video, that will not be Bini woman. The EPA where you carry my video when I show na day for yesterday, not be Bini man. Yeah, ya lay. So Bini me will go hide. So Bini women will go. Now they can't drag me for this TikTok. Now not fit fight for. Una get una all for his ass. I mean man on the normal lag before no garwa. You don't know what till day one break tomorrow. You don't know me. You don't know what you know. You never call me one day. What get the sunu? That one when I see blog that day where Boko na still Bini. Eri okwo ni be mumela. Boko, you can't they carry Boko content, can't they behave like a man. Now Bini woman, I can't do video for that woman. Say now so I do my children video. That Bini woman 2 years ago, now so he dragged me. I see beat that woman. Nonsense. We can't they follow each other. I be one blood that woman. No. Now when he can't they carry all of them know that woman Boko. When I Boko content they behave like now. I can't tell her say madam you don't get your content. Marriage woman they behave like a man. What's what baby do? Una too mumu. Why go with content? Do your own content, madam. Oh, when na like fear not let her talk to me again. You can't enter my e-boss. Love it, take your time. Why you talk to her? Now I can't because me maybe just school here. I not be any trail like that. Now, the woman they chat with me for message. Fear not let her come on live. Don't get back. You know, you don't go do your content, Boko they insult you. Oh, when I don't want to, who do you can't behave like a man. Yeah? Well, do your content. I do that woman. The video is still there. Now this woman enter my page. Fear not let her on live video. Or you can't drag me for my children. This is a woman I say, so you know do drag me. Where do you my own children take on laugh me? Fear not come talk to me. You can't enter live. You enter messenger for ye. Love her, why you they talk to me like that? As you draw message, now I draw for them. Now you think I not go school. You they crazy. Why you they carry person content? We call the fight for message. You they write, me they write. And I go block you, I beg. You know, need wahala. Now say, madam, block. Before you want block, me go block you. Before you know that this woman don't block. I know, we know they see each other again. Hey, me now they block her. I say, madam, you don't block. Me say I don't block you. Carry your wahala, they go. Now still be new woman. Why go with content? You want to book what wagbon? Why get where I'm wa? If you do, why get where I'm wa? I will party talking. No, don't fear you can be, don't fear you can be. No, don't make me with what. And even go start doctor you come. I go always say the truth because una share they share me. Because love not be like oh monera vi je koko una share. Uwa iya da vi ma koko wa se wa. Start doctor ye hosta na sa sito am do mo epu we la de epu we wa do ye fie be TikTok. Nyaga ke no fit dress better all of them are bini. No fit dress better responsible get. If you down with that, it might work with music in or it was a fake kebe. I do Esther now. What we couldn't call my sister. Here all of them are bini. And not be say person no they down. Maybe bono na wagbe lap wara yo to. Ekpuwe they go they look una toto who why do you fear we mu wa. Like this woman na a rapper or na bini woman. Or what the phone now you say 20 phone on me wa. No ya win winere. Carry person content, carry my own content. Try am again, madam. Part 2 aye una. I will do part 2 tomorrow. Next tomorrow, ya igwene madam. Maybe why can I block him? Why block him anyway? Me in any video. Why block him anyway? I depress. What here me? Now you draw me come. It total you over. I be your the sleep. Oh. I see some people they tag me. I just they see this man. Nika. No many really insult me who took wagbon. Emi ni mi e jemi no sunu that way. Well lie ban you not go survive. Emi ni mi u ga mi ma don't go make us so well. Wetin me see my own go water more than you. Where be lie? Of you when government go remain there. You not go survive. They don't feel say government collect your children. Jamie all this. So Nigerian men go come on. Why did they collect una children? They don't feel say na bad thing you do. Bad thing you do. Na bad thing you do. You go try to explain. So not go believe. You get one sister that day for road. I no more time, madam. No ask me question. If I tell una now the reason why believe. The office say get what this. Why they don't carry your 3 children? Like na normal thing. I be my papa there here, my family there here. You are everybody is in your own. Now, no matter if they collect my children, hey, they just collect 3 children. You sure say this woman not do bad thing? Or if I ball like babe, my okay different from una case. That is why some women don't feel come out for social media. Do you know how many Nigerian girls where they collect their children? Where the fear not go let them try them? Because their own case where they take carry una children. Now fault. My own case not be like that. Yeah. Because so many reasons, every day they talk away they take collect your children. Government no just come. But what matter? My own case not be na no. Now me some women no fit come out for show me that say hey, they collect my children no. You want try am for Jamie. Because when your fault, some women they go beat their, like one woman when they collect their children. Beat now they take collect children. Now the pikin even go tell teacher for school. Now the pikin don't go tell teacher say we are gonna marry be more a frustration more your work be wowa. And now you they charge the kid that money. Oh, this woman a single mother. Now the pikin, all these children not this and they don't get sense. Now the pikin go top pikin of 10 years. You know they stay again. The mama they beat her. Now so the teacher they open the body. Now the pikin even they open the body. They say Mark, he full the body. Mark full this pikin body. I mean useless. Now mother be mother. Madam, I get children for his ass. You wey dey tarapa na mother, you dey come laugh me say me wey dey collect you, I better than una. Na mother wey get children for her, na be Jew, na be mother. So mother na useless mother. If children they not dey happy for una, they look una say be useless mother. When we okuna wa jena no do akie katu, a old woman mature, although you go tarapa, you go want make people they see katu. It can never dress like this. Go and get ya watch a page again. The way bed you know what love yeji. Very lazy woman. The way they talk, they can't talk to me. Without Bito lie down on bed talking about somebody, tiny rapper. You are a useless woman. Now we may get children for us. Now it be make you a responsible woman. Now you take better past me. No, not be like that too. Not be say they collect my children say you are a just una tie boni men. No, you want no madam. No, you tie boni anyway. I'm not a mother. Who asu? Tie boni men. Ye be my way backing. Nuna ye karowa ya preach egbe. Do I talk to you? In a correct pramo. Be now when mess we see use and learn. You know this boy and I go they feel like go they get shame. They have a person in the ego egg one do mwe aproko. Why go with content? You cannot see beneath woman they create content. The music why no music, not a musafa only no ware frasi. To enter stage go and compose music. This is easy. To shoot content, this is easy. No one easy. Now brain, you have to shoot content and see whether person now brain person. Oh no, believe me, they'll come out all those frustration. Oh, what miliki way don't retire for Europe. Tito do me well. A Tito you know. You just I be like una. Una say Tito don't they put food for my table. I don't monetize my pay. I never monetize. No matter where Tito never they feed me. Just I be like hungry people like una. I'm just doing this thing. That is me. I'm not doing it. But most of them don't go tell Tito say start paying me 1,000 followers, 2,000 for Egbema Huwa. Go and ask na Tito na human being. I never monetize them. Tito don't write me tire. Come on 5 cents. Tito I never collect. Even the gift where they say nothing. It just I be like una hungry people. Nirule mu like Jamie. Wa now see Jamie finish. Go sit down with this akachik now. As you talk to ran rich, even when not get talk to ran lawa. Character na character. You know it has. He's still doing video. By the time when Jama go come for that girl for sakachik now. None of them don't talk to this girl now. I hear say they say this girl na Yoruba. I bet Yoruba people. Oh Lord, work by me. I bet when I talk to una sister. I know say Yoruba people. I know say una they only respect us. If you are a man, please when they dear that girl, make it enter his ass. Cause I hear say the girl na Yoruba girl. Make una sister enter. Make they take care of and well. Yeah, because the girl see they do video. Go just stand for the door of. That where in room they still doing video till now. Mona they talk to them. Mona find number make it get inside. Even though you want even do video, maybe once in a while. Make it try to wear. If you wear finish, you go house as he thought say na 6 months. He explain for he don't they wear finish. Without video, this guy don't they day okay. But now he talk and I say Jama want collect the phone. Yes, now Jama want collect the phone. They do video. This girl, no, they agree. Maybe they give her a tablet again. Since when you go cry to Enogi. Now video upon video. Early that morning, don't they dance for the door, back of the door there. Oh, they don't wanna stop this thing. Take good care of yourself first. Or we again, you don't they hear again. By the time now, don't do the video. Now nobody don't come out. Yoruba people wanna call down her sister. Nobody don't come and can't talk like this. Say this woman. Now only Lover see do that video. Say get inside. I want me Jama collect that your phone. I do that video. My go no go kill me. By the time when Jama will come for that girl now, how ungrateful people in Deutschland. Then when I call this girl will come change Jama. Hey, why Jama can't do this girl? Or they just go throw away this girl for a car. Because Jama hate nonsense. Una no know. Una know what to be nonsense. They hate it. Because they get money, fly there. Or whatever party, oh, they get money. The day when they will carry this girl now for Sakachi, go throw away her for a car. Una will come out for Tito. Hey, Jamie, now so I can't do this girl. Why una not allow make it give her children? Why una can't deport her like this? None of una carry do video this girl get inside. Why again? Why pay your so see they put like. So see they clap and continue, my lady. You need to be happy. You need to be happy. All of na wagbawa. By the time we Jama don't go throw away this girl for a car, yeah, go get her now. Call they cry. Oh, Jamie, why did you deport this girl? Why would I not give her? This girl will come change her for Jamie here. Now you will come change the story. You will get book about bone. Liar people. Una to see Jamie finish now. All of ugly people, the Jamie they take care of. And Jamie go change her for now. May everybody go. It couldn't me. If they bring my children, oh yeah, vamu. Wayak pa be country nari. Wakpa. Who going? Who there for Italy? Who there? Oh yeah. The president don't they arrange them. If you are there, they don't tire when they take the picky dog. Go and take care of your children by yourself. It couldn't me. They don't tell me say very soon now. Oh yeah. Who want come on? No more kid that gate. Not be me say una mona born 5 children for different papa. Oh yeah. Mona go carry very soon they are preparing it. Who want leave the country? Oh yeah, mona come out. What did they want use na black children they do? Now good that they do for everybody. They hold my children now good that they do. I only appreciate them. Now my children gift. Yeah, they gift again. Nekere. Or even a twin. No, my backbone. My blessed son. Very clever picking. Now he day yes so. Yeah. See they gift you a toy. Now toy now he day yeah. Or even no my backbone. That my son. He make me day Dutchland. You are coming to come and enjoy this as my son. You are coming to see now love. Now they put for yes, so love. They know who or love. This one are God's power. You see that tell yeah. No, they love it in your view because they see how they create content. Why we better go make one? All those Benin women we don't tire for Euro. Why you wa? I not be like when you made that be like we. Why you wa? Mona live for. Why see I need be a car? Why una don't retire? Tito do me way. Tito you know. You see all this one they do for Tito no need that. That is why they go like this woman. They go bound your account because this Tito now to shoot content and have a fun. If you want to dance, if you want to shoot content to make people happy, now it be TikTok. TikTok not they use people that shooting content they play to make because a lot of people are in the prison. They want to see something funny. You get something laughing. People are in the house. They want to see something laughing. Now it be TikTok, not be amebo. Walawa. Una people matter not be like as you offer now, madam. Very soon TikTok go bang. Go and bet. Do you know how many people where TikTok don't ban your account? Call hope for the who are you talking to? Not be waiting they create this app. Go shoot, go promote your music. Now it be TikTok. If you want to promote your music, like all the Davido, all those P Square, you are shooting content. Now it be TikTok. You want to be passing message, waiting they go around the world, you be blogger, maybe people see waiting they go. Now it be TikTok. Not be to call whole phone, put Percy picture for your talking there. Oh, what we gbe viete? Why don't wodo? Only no reference wodo. Owoye na rikodo. Who want enter that place? Now if they teach somebody or you want make copy, make up, makeup are too fine. No husband for us. Madam, as you the pass rich, you go drug at two way you reach here inside your toto. Marriage, you are see a stupid single mother. Man no day. Man no day. Mona si say no be all those things man they stay with woman na character. Man no dey upon you don't tie that parish for TikTok. I dey see your video when I enter that day I dey screw and you don't do many video tie rapper. Even the you cannot wear shirt make that cartoon no show. So that you want to let men know say I have a cartoon. You think say now men like all those things? You think say now men now man we want to knock you. They not believe in that. Then they look na shower. Any woman where they call show cartoon, you are arrogance. So na arrogance boy want come now that your ikpekus. Otilo, you not go marry you, my sister. Me, I have a cartoon. Look at my cartoon. You see? Now small. You see my cartoon? Igwe. I don't cover them. You see my cartoon? You see my cartoon as a responsible woman, yes. You see my cartoon? Igwe. Now don't ever see, and once in a while, I just see, I cover them. See, I don't cover them. No too. Not be by get cartoon. Everything na normal thing, na responsible something. You know me, say me you dey showcase. You know me, showcasing what? You are ashawo. They come talk to me, say love where they don't collect each other. When no come miliki, no do what? Where they come tie rapper. You know that shame of yourself. Come show cartoon. Enter this woman page. Enter me una know what I dey. So I dey see Anna. So that they look your video, they pass. I don't know the time when I add you as a friend. Very soon now, when we are not going to be seeing each other. Yeah, block you. Or you are waka blocking me. No, you are depressed. Because best not they find me trouble. Sorting me for my own content. Do I talk to you? Do I talk to you? Or can wear madam? A pram or a good one. Now I tell your husband, say this man go dey feel her now. Why you hear your life like this? Why you hear your life? You are still bringing this boy come and say he love you. Not love you. A minute time you know they know. He not love you because you do hear yourself for social media. The boy man love you because all I have a video now. And the thing go dey pay now for him mind. Now say very soon this man go go. No come they carry and they make people they feel say he love you. Make people you want let people know say everybody know say that guy not love you again. Even though he love you before, he don't see your nonsense. It's good to be good. He not love you again. No come they carry and they show us say, baby kiss me now, baby kiss me now. We are eating a binima too good. Now say that boy you too yeye yourself. You too disgrace yourself. Now say I go post this video. May you see your nonsense. Now I take post that video. Where this woman come on? Now the video be this one call it like. But matter what we are record there as I dey talk since. What we are aware. Come on, me can't reply me. I beg. If this woman reply me, mona tag me as not tag me. Ni wa de madam. Ni gere gbe aje 3 trousers my loveti. Unuru ya iye gbe my we gba uzuwo. We loveti. Okay, you no any character. No get manner of approach. Igbori ohun. My way me are you na mates in everything. Yage a follower we. I must say me rock back. Your followers still remain you there because you are useless, you know. They carry for they can't show people content. Well, you not go show content, maybe can't blog you. Me now be blogger, they carry people. Where you may do? One more here, ni winere go ever gone. Or some bini women. Why go create content very local? Yangi de local. Yage that's why say I do that woman video that day. Mama anointed. Mama anointed not be bini. Or say on a go shoot a continue about that for him. Go see Papa and not in Aishan guy. They not be Bini man, they not be Bini distant. That's why I say Mama I'm not. I like that woman. If they come misbehave, they naked. Now that one I take the quarrel with her. You see that content where your husband, they always appreciate, I always do their video. You understand? Me, they say something, they appreciate people. I get God not give my social media. Go see Angela Wosu. Angela wants to go and see their follower, 1.2 million follower. Angela wants to na Igbo woman. A husband na Igbo. They are shooting content all the time. Especially that our brother, I don't know his name. And only that one and why they shoot content. They are still trying, they be Bini to Bini. Only that one I see. Where be daddy, Nenemi family. Where your husband they dress like woman, the guy go dress like a man. When I see why all the newborn, they try for content where he and his husband. Apart from that, when I don't ever see any Benin man and woman, they shoot content. Error. In winner, no bugwa. In winner loveti ga bugwa. If you enter their page, oh we are. Their page they smell for proco. Like that one we dey France. Yeah, we are here band that country where madam. The one you will wake up one day. Too much of everything is bad. Me, I hate nonsense. You know, feel the top people matter. They use people till they get view. Go and be shooting your content. If you two top people matter, you go rest. Shoot your content. Or why we are baby nene camera baby na gozuo. Ikwa we na go no why we France wo do. Ikwa we ye digbitigbi. Huh? Well, one like page you know if you create one your own content. You shoot your own even though now only 3 people watch. Error in winner what the picture. When no kora we dey for you. This woman you don't go buy for 20. They can't show you follow say see what this one do. Game the love it you. Can you imagine you go fair play and finish before you start talking? Are you crazy? Wala some Benin useless women for this euro. Never well like well not be all Benin. If you don't say you are not like that, beg. I'm not talking to you, my sister. I'm not talking to you, my brother. So women are too now want too much. Una no love una self. If they see the one way they go up, they would like to bring her down. If they see the one way they in a music he bring come out, they don't see love it now. No matter they use my watch try again. Bini women. Try am again for this talk on they say your children where they call. Yeah, they really work buena my sister. I tell now, I'll go wear 5 trousers. Maybe I na me go bring my address kon nu do ba me sitting nije. Ni gwo we. Unu ya go me gwan swat pon yo. Nu tu go back mon. Who are you sit down or you draw you come out all those Benin women. They won't come, they feel that love it just they get follower. You just they get you are have Sonia ya get follower well. Una no go do. I don't only talk about TikTok now for everybody. But a follower little why because now just letting like this woman who want follow you. People will see they put life for your because some people they be just let people. They like your video for amebo. People matter. They use people matter they get view. Why go shoot a content? Can you imagine? You can't see Benin women shooting content. Mokpa be yana. Now let me when they shoot my content, they do blogging. If I see Wetin not bad, as I thought to pram or so, you know the web when you know some women I see user and may tell some women say, make the way you live your life for social media. I only talk am. Make the thing not gonna affect you. Maybe you can still see love tomorrow. May not come affect you. Or kuna do munya. It concern if you hate Victor. It concern me, concern Victor. Now Wetin Victor tell Pramo na I tell him. Or you will have hate Victor. No two go back more. Victor where they talk to. Woman where marry where Victor where go marry. Say Victor go Nigeria go marry that woman. He not better than you. Say the woman Victor where go to Italy go marry that old woman. But I get inside. Now in choice, now Victor go. I don't know Victor. Victor not be my friend, but now what I see for social media where Victor talk. Victor not really go the woman house. He not go Pramo house for 2 weeks. No two go back more. Victor, who be Victor? Victor not better than you. That woman where he married for Italy, now in choice. Una know wetin they see. You think say na bakatu? No two na bakatu. Since where they tie rapper now for TikTok for social media, madam, no man they come. Uzek berapa, all your clothes. So tell if this woman wear handless, katu must show. If you wear polo, katu, mona can say I get katu. He must say a filter all madam come out for real color like this. A filter. If they see una for real life, everybody go the enter bush. Love it. People wey they follow me for digital. Now who know me past? Now many part those wey no know me. Ema no eme be TikTok or boost no ma eme. Ni kama we madam. Imo bolwe filter be TikTok. I know sabi use filter. I know they live fake like a lot of people know me for real life. No too. A filter wello. Yeah, mi wabupo. Even the one where they from, most of una na filter. People go see una for road. They go they enter bush. Who are you na a monkey? Na monkey. Now una be for real life. Nonsense. You know they used to be the compare una. It went a pramo. We magu work one matter. What's similar dia? I don't talk to you. This one go talk. This one go just go dive on. You go come. You go carry that for come and come the la Where you know you shoot your content. Where we live video na be to more where this woman do something no. No two go back money. We never book one some Benin women. I don't see any Asian woman, Yoruba women. They make their business. All of them on this TikTok doing their phone. In winner that one we hear do. In winner people matter now. Now make the same now they do saga. Hey, a procon no good though. In winner that mama bob buenya. Wawa be ever son. If you dey sleep for night, you go break your neck. You know. Now so all this kind of TikTok go bank your account. Now so one woman they cry that they please start following me for this one. Do you know how many people wait